Make a great choice today with the 2023 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.